How many times in my life I heard the phrase, anything is possible. It didn't take me long to realize that that comes with some exceptions and some rules. Like, it's anything is possible if you know the right people, or you have enough money, or you're really lucky. And in my life, it just wasn't working for me, and I soon lost my belief that anything was possible. But today, I want to introduce you into something that's changed my life, and I know it can help you. It's called Act as If. And this concept is where you just act as if you already are that person you want to be, or you already have the things you want. So it makes it so anything is possible, because you act like you have those friends and you know those people that can make things happen. And by acting that way, you give yourself the confidence to actually be that way. So you can have those friends and you can make that money, and you can even get that lucky just because you believe in yourself. And believing in yourself is the most important step, I think, in this act as if concept. You have to believe it's true. You have to believe that you can do it, and believe that you can be confident and have those friends and make those connections with people. And before long, if you act as if this is possible and you believe it is possible, then your life can be a reality with the anything is possible, because you make it happen yourself.